Hey everyone! Welcome back to Simply Blessed Crafts. I'm Tiffany, and we got some wood projects for you because we're going to get into the What Would You Make collaboration. So I hope you are looking forward to that because we're going to have some fun. I actually had a great time creating these projects for you, so I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it, guys. Alright, you guys, so this is What Would You Make? And it is hosted by Rustic and Lace DIYs, and our other host is Divine Designs, and our guest host this month is Crafting My Best Life with Lisa. Let's get right into it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. So, DIY number 1. So I'm going to start off with taking this little red truck. It's just an ornament. This is actually one I've had in my stash for quite some time. I have a bunch of these actually. And I'm going to start painting him. It's actually gray. This is a gravel road, but it just was... With the red, it just was not working. So we were going in with black first, and then I went in with the gray, the gravel road, and then it was just not the color I was looking for. So then I'm taking, oh my gosh, what color is that? I'm drawing a blank now. Anyways, it's DIY paint. It'll come to me in here in a minute. But I decided that color was kind of what I was going for. I was kind of going for the galvanized look. So anyway, I'm grabbing out some of these trees. The trees I got from Walmart in a pack of 16. So I'm just grabbing a bunch of random sizes here, and I'm going to change my drill bit because I'm going to want that to be about the size of the wire in the tree. And I'm going to take off all the bases, and we're going to glue each of these trees down into this block of wood. The block of wood I actually got from a thrift store, believe it or not, guys. But here I'm just gonna drill, and I'm just gonna make big enough holes to where my trees will fit down in there, and then I'm gonna put a little hot glue in the bottom of them. Just like that, and I'm gonna do that to all of these trees. I'll stick them down. I kind of wanted my larger one in the middle. You don't want them all to be, certain sizes, so probably could have cut some of this out. But anyway, I'm just basically sticking them down. I do believe I cut out the rest of this. Oh, I have one more tree, I guess I showed you. So I stuck down the little one in the front here, and then I'm going to grab my little truck here, and I'm going to glue that down here too, just to give it a little bit of a scenery. So I did get this idea off of Chick Rehab. If you guys haven't seen her, I'll try to remember to link that in the description box. I did add some more stuff to it, and hers was a little bit different. But I got the idea from her, so I am going to shout her out. I did put a little wreath on it. The wreath, I think, came from Hobby Lobby. I've had it in my stash probably since last year because I found it in my tub. And then I'm going to grab a bunch of these candy canes. The candy canes, I believe, I ordered off of Amazon a couple years ago. And I'm just going to tie these together. And this is kind of going to go in in the back of his truck. I just thought it would be really cute. And cut off my excess of my little jute twine here. And we're just going to glue a little bit down there in the back. And then I decided I was going to grab a couple of extra ones, and I was going to glue these around our little trees here, which is going to kind of make it look like the driver of the truck was decorating the tree yard, which I thought was a very cute idea, which is why he had the candy canes in the back of his truck. So that's kind of where I went with this. I thought it was very cute and very simple. Let me know what you guys think. You'll see more of it in the final reveal. DIY number 2. So here I'm going to take these 2 little mittens. These I got from Walmart. I'm actually just using this random sock that I have in my stash. I wanted to use a little bit of some white fluff for around the mitten to give it a little bit more of a cuff. So that's kind of what we're doing here. And I'm just kind of gluing around and trying to get it to come up around that edge of where the cuff would be there, and I just kind of piece it together and glue it. It does shed a lot, though. That's the only downfall to this, but they turn out really cute. I ended up taking a piece of that jute twine that I used prior, and I am just kind of pulling it apart. It was way too thick for this, for the holes for these, but I didn't want to use the other ones. I wanted to connect these, and these came separate. You can get them for $1.48 or something like that at Walmart if they still have them. But I wanted them to be connected and kind of drape over like your tree, like a tree ornament. So that's kind of what my thought was. And then I'm going to grab some of these, my IOD transfers. These are the new Christmas release that came out this year. This is the oh my gosh, I don't remember. Oh my gosh, I can't remember the name of the dang thing. I'm sorry. This is the one with all the woodland creatures, though. Anyway, I'm just cutting around, and I'm gonna just use a couple of these pretty flowers and decorate the mittens. So if you're not familiar with rub-on transfers, you basically just start rubbing down with the little stick that they give you. And I'm kind of doing what they call the ride the wave, and you're just going to kind of pull up on your piece of plastic while you're rubbing. If anything comes up from your transfer that you want to be stuck, then you just lay your plastic back down and continue to rub, and then lift, and it should do it. You can tell that when it's down, when it starts turning like a gray clear, as you can kind of see me do there. Anyway, and then that's pretty much all I do to these. This is all done. DIY number 3. These have all been really simple, you guys. I've been really busy. So, but I take this little plaque that I believe I got. You can get these from Dollar Tree, but I got mine from a huge pack. Like 100 in a pack from like Amazon for like $8 or something like this. This was several years ago. I'm still going through them. But I cut down the sides of it, as you've seen. I am using one of my molds that I actually had previously made up. These are the angel tapers that they have. This is from the new release from the molds. I did use amazing casting resin, but these I already had previously made up. So, but I decided I was going to cut the bottom of it. This one was actually one that I didn't didn't get poured the best. The middle of that I painted with antique wax, and now I'm going to go in with my antique copper, and I'm just going to paint that entire frame there. And then this little angel, I decided to go in with Pennies from Heaven and give it a heavy coat of that. I actually do 2 coats on this, I think, because it was kind of light in certain areas. After that is dry, I'm going to take my dark wax and I'm going to wax the whole angel. And this is going to just kind of, first of all, it's going to seal in your paint. Second of all, it's going to bring out all of those details in your image here. I'm going to wipe it back some, and you're going to see all the little details because it's going to get down into all the little nooks and crannies. And then we're going to glue her down into our little frame here. I ran out of glue. I had to put more in it. Anyway, and she just pops down in there so perfectly. I did end up deciding that I wanted the edge of the frame a little bit darker, just to give it a little bit more of a contrast between the angel and the border of the frame. So I'm just taking a little bit more of that dark wax and whatever's on my brush and going around the edge of that. And then I'm going to take some golden rule, and I'm going to go lightly with my finger over the top edges of the angel, just to kind of make her shine just a little bit more. And then I'm going to take some jute and tie it up at that top little hole down up there. And we're going to make this into an ornament for your tree. And there she is. Now, final reveal, you guys. I know it was a very quick, easy, but that's sometimes okay. I needed this. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Let me know down below which one's your favorite. I'm probably going to have to go with the little truck scene. I mean, I love my ornaments, and I think those mittens and stuff turned out absolutely adorable. But I think that scenery is just the cutest little thing ever. Anyway, make sure you guys go check out everybody over on the playlist. Make sure you give them all some love. Go give them a like, go, comment, and I am going to get into some heavy crafting this next week. I'm not even sure of my schedule. I don't have another collab until the 1st of November, and we're going to get into some more ornaments, you guys. So be prepared for that. I will see you then, and it also starts off the 12 days of Christmas, and I'm going to try my darndest to get into a bunch of that. So definitely have your notification bell click. God bless everyone. Have a great week.